Did you know that robots might soon outnumber humans? Here's how AI is revolutionizing industries in ways you never imagined. From healthcare to space, robots are not just assisting, but leading the charge. Meet Dr. Roboto, a robot performing surgeries with precision that human hands can't match. And up in space, Rover, an AI robot, is exploring Mars, gathering data beyond human reach. But it's not just high-tech fields. In disaster relief, Rescuer Bot navigates through rubble to save lives. And in our daily lives, Handybot is making chores a breeze. Yet there's a twist. Robots are learning from us, becoming more autonomous, potentially surpassing our capabilities. Imagine a future where robots manage our cities, our health, and even our emotions. This is not science fiction. It's the reality unfolding now. Robots are shaping a future where technology and humanity blend seamlessly. Please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the robotic revolution.